That's a fish on. Oh, nice. Beautiful little pike. Oh man, right as my line snapped too. Okay. Well, first fish of the year. Nice little pike. Okay, buddy, where did you stick that? Wow, good girth to it. Solid little pike. And off he goes. Stormbait Wildeye Shad. Works like a charm. Except I think this guy might have... Oh, his teeth did it. Yep. Nothing wrong with the fluoro. Not sure if you guys can see it, but his teeth snapped the leader right as I got him up on land. And that is my first fish of the year. So that guy, he's got himself a fish down there, just tossed it back. And that's Joel and his dad. They were supposed to be here half an hour ago. All fishermen run on different clocks, I suppose. Yo. Huh? Yeah, I just plucked a pike earlier. Huh? I plucked a pike earlier.
Did you?
Yeah. Okay, so looks like that guy down there had a sucker earlier. General correlation is walleye, sucker, and pike this time of year. Faring any better?
Nope.
How about these guys down here?
I think a lot of people down there.
Yeah, I know. That's why I stayed up there. Still using your cute little zip lure?
Yep, cute little zip lure. I'm tempted to go steal that third rod we brought.
Yeah.
My new lures to try.
It's easier to just switch rods than to tie on, than to cut off and tie on again. Yeah, that pike I probably caught 20 minutes within getting here. Right.
We dredged this thing 3 years ago.
Yep.
And I think the water's too fast.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the vegetation, I think they took it on.
Yep.
I mean, I haven't seen very many people catch them here
Mhm.
in the last 2 years, and I just think it's, I might be mistaken, but there used to be like a sandbar out there,
Yeah.
not too far out, that they would lay against. And then my friend Tom said there was another kind of channel here that was, you know, he said, you know, you catch a lot of them about 8 feet offshore.
Oh, yeah.
And you just don't, you know, and it could be the water temperature or whatever, but I'm just starting to think that when they dredge this, it might have, you know, because they dredged it so the boats could go all the way in, you know, so the boats would have less trouble going all the way in, and I just almost wonder if it kind of screwed up as far as fishing goes, because it used to be you'd cast in and you'd get right to the bottom.
Yeah.
Now it seems like the current's a lot faster. And
So,
just, you know,
yeah.
because I've got a big freaking
Jig head there.
jig head on this thing, and I throw a split shot behind it, and I'm still almost not hitting bottom, you know?
Yeah, it was confusing me too, not feeling anything down there. Oops.
Huh? I'm thinking about going further down just to see if there's any room down there. I just think the water through here is too fast.
Yeah.
I think it's too fast.
Before we go, should we hit up that little spot where we saw a gigantic bass?
Well, I was thinking about going further down that way.
Well, I said before we go, but yeah.
When did you see the gigantic bass?
Over the summer.
Over the summer down there. I mean, for all I know, a walleye took its spot.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Joel's licking his chops. Right. Isn't it ironic that this thing shows itself the minute Ian leaves?
I know. I would have seriously had that one dude. Oh, nice sheep's head. I would have seriously had that one guy. I could have freaking done the figure eight.
Right.
And walked right up behind you and scared the guy off.
Huh?
One guy, maybe I could believe. Two guys. The little guy is the one that triggered that bass. Little green guy.
Huh?
This little green guy is the one that had the bass chasing it off. Ian walked up right behind you. It's like too many people. I'm like, really? I mean, it sat there for like a good 3 to 5 seconds before Ian walked up behind me. I'm like, really?
Yeah, just like, nope. Walk
Yeah,
away.
it's like too many people.
Two big ass gulls sitting there? Is that
Yep.
what that is?
Yep.
Those things are huge.
Oh yeah. I think they were there yesterday too.
I like because they can't fly away. Damn it, I ate too much again.
Well, there's plenty of minnows around here for that. Looks like we got a fish over here. Blaine snagged on a walleye. Very nice, very nice.
Can I keep it if I snag it?
Technically no, but okay, I need to step away like right now. Nice little female. Nice little female.
Technically, you can't keep the females.
I think you can, can't you?
I don't think you can, because if they're carrying eggs, you're technically killing off the population. Isn't that the
No,
rule?
I think you can keep them this time of year. I don't know.
I want to look that up. You have a phone?
Yeah.
Meanwhile.
Holy shit, yeah. Let me grab a
Anyway, let's just look at the beautiful fish here.
Kind of want to give her some water.
I don't know. I'm afraid if I keep it, if you can't keep them, if you snag them,
Mhm.
I'd rather throw it back. Frankly.
All right.
Yeah, put it back.
All right.
Doing the right thing. Send free.
I don't want to.
Yep.
You never know. Something's
Little beauty.
Plus, I think that one.
Hi guys, just thought I'd follow up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know we're not pumping out as many videos as a lot of other anglers out there, but that's the issue with going to school. Me, I'm in college, so is Joel. Ian's got a busy work schedule, and Calvin's still in high school yet. So, yeah, the issue right now is just finding a good time just to even go. But otherwise, thank you guys again for watching. If you guys liked the video, hit that like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.